beautifully made up living area, spacious looking kitchenette area. A granite platform has been given, which is the master bedroom. And hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and today we are here at Ajmera Lakeside Paradise by Ajmera Group, which is located in Kenchanahalli, New Town, Yelahanka, North Bangalore, just besides the Athur Lake. Well, we are going to do its 1 BHK and 2 BHK sample flat tour. Regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail. But first, let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that in Housey, the listing is done directly by the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So now talking about the project, which is Ajmera Lakeside Paradise by Ajmera Group, which is located in Kenchanahalli, North Bangalore, Yelahanka, just besides the Athur Lake. This project is going to be developed on 10.2 acres of land parcel, having 7 towers which are going to be divided into 3 phases, which is phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, and they are going to be having ground plus 19 floor stories. And this project will be having 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartments, and there will be 2 BHK different variants in this apartment, so that's going to be really great. And the best part about this project is it is located just besides the Athur Lake, so you can just imagine you will always be having a great breeze around this location and a nice atmosphere will always be surrounding you. Now talking about the location, so as I mentioned to you, this is just besides the Athur Lake located in Kenchanahalli, North Bangalore, Yelahanka. So from here, all the schools and colleges are just within a radius of 1 to 2 kilometers. Shopping marts like D-Mart, Vishal Mart and many other marts as well as Galleria Mall are just within a radius of 3 to 4 km. So when we talk about the metro, so metro is just around 15 minutes from this location. Airport is just half an hour from this location, which is like quite nice because in comparison to 1 hour and 1.5 hour, half an hour is quite reasonable to go. So as well as when we talk about hospitals and everything is at an easy connectivity from this project, that is around 3 to 4 kilometers from this project. Now talking about the amenities part, so this project has 30 plus amenities with a 19,000 square feet big clubhouse, an outdoor gymnasium, temperature controlled pool, an amphitheater, kids play area, citizen area and many more wonderful looking amenities. So yes, now it's time for us to go and see the project, how the flats are. Without any delay, let's go and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So right now I'm standing outside the 2 BHK Grand of Ajmera Lakeside Paradise by Ajmera Group. This is of 1,008 square feet. But let me also tell you that they also have 2 more variants which are 972 square feet and another is 1170 square feet super build up. So let's go inside and see how this sample flat is. Let's go. So as we enter, this is a beautifully made up living area, wherein here you get the seating area. A separate section has been given for your dining area as well, like a 4-seater or a 6-seater dining table as per your requirements. So that's like a really nice big spacious living room is what I must say. And here let us go and see the balcony. A nice wide balcony is what we can say. You can just customize this balcony also as per your own creative ideas and just have a great time enjoying the amazing breeze outside, the beautiful view outside. So that's really very great. And now let's go and see the kitchenette area. So this is a nice big spacious looking kitchenette area. A granite platform has been given. Stainless steel sink has been given, and here is the utility area as well, wherein an extra sink has been given for that. A place for your washing machine has also been given, so that's really nice. And you can see how beautifully this has been made up. This is how exactly you can also customize and make as per your requirements and needs. A separate place has been given for your refrigerator as well, so everything fits just perfectly fine. And now let's go and see bedroom number 1. But before that, I want you to see the washroom number 1, which is on the left. A nice big spacious washroom has been given. Anti-skid tiles and high-end sanitary fittings have been provided as well, so that's really very great. And this is the bedroom number 1, a nice cute looking cozy bedroom that fits in your bed. A separate section, you can just make this how it has been customized as well. And at the back, I want you to see how a nicely made wardrobe has been made over here. A separate section has been given for your study as well, so that's really very great, obviously. And here half French windows have been given. A small grilling has also been given here for your safety, so that's really very nice. And now let's go and see the master bedroom, which is bedroom number 2. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for us? Well, let me tell you that in Housey, we get the actual location tours. We give you the sample flat tours as well. We give you pros and cons of every project, like why is this project good for you, why you should invest in it or not. And we also let you know the 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be greater than this? Well, let me also tell you that we give you all-inclusive pricing, including EMI and down payment details. So if after all of this, if you like this, you can just go and in 3 simple clicks, you can do your free site visit book. So if you like the project, click on the link mentioned in the description and book your free site visit now. And now let's go and see the bedroom number 2. So yes, this is a beautiful looking bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom. And firstly, we will go and see how even the washroom is. A nice big spacious washroom as well, and there is a balcony area as well that's been given in the bedroom number 2, so that's really very nice. You get two balconies in the 2 BHK, so that's really very great as well. And you can just enjoy the nice breeze outside, have a leisure time and enjoy the beautiful view of either the city view or the garden view or the lakeside view, whichever you are planning to buy as per your requirements and your needs. Well, so this was the 2 BHK sample flat tour of Ajmera Lakeside Paradise by Ajmera Group, which is located near Attur Lake in Yelahanka, North Bangalore. How did you like it? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can go and click on the link mentioned in the description and download it right now. And if you need more details about the project, then you can go and register yourself on Housey.com. And lastly, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Housey. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care.
So everyone, this was 2 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Ajmera Lakeside Paradise, located next to Attur Lake, Yelahanka, New Town, Bangalore by Ajmera Groups. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.